My name's Travis, and I'm the founder of HARD. I'm paving the road to the future of personal transportation by developing a new type of modular vehicle platform that will be manufactured in America and sold for less than $10,000 new. If you're interested in learning more about this mission, follow along on this video or head over to my website at automotiveredesign.com. Paving the road to the future of personal transportation starts by understanding exactly what's driving up the cost of brand new cars in America. The average person simply can't afford to buy or build a vehicle with the features, capabilities, and style that they actually want. On top of that, we need to break down why each vehicle type continues to come with the same well-known positives and negatives, no matter what car brand or specific model you choose. The future of personal transportation looks different from every driver's perspective. I'm focusing on helping the largest demographic of drivers that I possibly can with the first production vehicle. The vehicle that I'm designing to solve these problems is somewhat of a simple concept. It's a compact and low-cost vehicle that people will actually want to buy. In an effort to design the ultimate low-cost vehicle, I've been spending years designing and engineering unique solutions to better suit the needs, wants, and budget of the average person. I have engineered many key differences into this low-cost, compact vehicle platform that allow it to compete with or even outperform much more expensive and full-size vehicles. If some of what you saw in this video has spiked your interest and you want to learn more about my mission to create and sell an affordable American-made vehicle, please head over to my website. Click on the car on the home page to find the complete mission page. Here you will find further detailed current features, specs, goals, and opportunities regarding the final production-ready vehicle platform. Please help support the development process by utilizing my modular drivetrain and/or 3D scanning and engineering services on your project. Details and alternative contact methods are all on my website. Head over to the shopping page on my website. You'll see free shipping on all t-shirt orders. First designs available now. These t-shirts are DTG printed for a high quality and a long wear life. They have Make Cars $10,000 again on the front with HARD featured on both sleeves. Every dollar goes directly to the vehicle development. Please support the process. You can follow me at Automotive Redesign on Facebook and Instagram, or just subscribe here on YouTube to keep up with the behind-the-scenes updates. Partnership/collaboration ideas are always welcome, so feel free to reach out. That's it for this video. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook to support the process and get notifications on all of our updates. Unique automotive innovations to help everyday people try hard.